The next topic we'll be covering are X509 certificates. First, let's unravel what public key infrastructure is. PKI is a set of roles, policies, hardware, software, and procedures needed to create, manage, distribute, use, store, and revoke digital certificates and manage public key encryption. So, what exactly is an X509 certificate? It is a standard defined by the International Telecommunication Union for public key certifications. X509 certificates are used in many Internet protocols, including SSL, TLS, and HTTPS, signed and encrypted email, and code signing and document signing. A certificate contains an identity, which could be a hostname, an organization, or an individual, along with a public key built on platforms like RSA, DSA, or ECDA. But who issues these certificates? Here comes the role of the certificate authority, a trusted entity that issues digital certificates. A CA acts as a trusted third party, trusted both by the subject of the certificate and by the party relying upon the certificate. A certificate authority can issue multiple certificates in the form of a tree structure known as a chain of trust. Root certificate authority. This is a self-signed certificate. The private key associated with it signs other certificates. It's important that the private key of root are protected. Intermediate certificate authority. These certificates are signed by the root's private key. They protect the root certificate because the root certificate does not have to sign every issued certificate. End entity certificate. A certificate issued by the ICA used by the end entity. The entity in the case is an SSL certificate for a website. A certificate contains a metadata about version number, the version of the X509 standard. Serial number. A unique serial number assigned to the certificate by the certificate authority. Signature algorithm ID, the algorithm used to sign the certificate, such as RSA or DSA. Issuer, the name of the certificate authority that issued this certificate. Validity period, the start and end dates during which the certificate is valid. Subject, the identifier for the individual or organization to whom the certificate was issued. Subject public key, the public key that is authenticated by this certificate. This field also names the algorithm used for public key generation. Issuer unique identifier allows multiple CAS to operate as a single logical key. Subject unique identifier allows multiple certificate holders to act as a single logical entity. Extensions allows a CA to associate additional private information with a certificate. All the metadata is publicly readable, anyone can view it. So that's an overview of X509 certificates.